I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct account and device are signed into the App Store or Play Store. This prevents buy blocks from another profile. Next, check the payment method, country settings, and any unpaid balance because stores block purchases until resolved. Once done, go straight to Settings and enable in-app purchases and turn off parental controls that block purchases. This is the essential first step that removes the most common, invisible barriers to buying inside apps. Now dig into the middle steps where most problems hide. On iOS, open Screen Time, then Content and Privacy iTunes and App Store purchases and allow in-app purchases. This unblocks the system layer. On Android, open Play Store settings, check family or parental controls and clear Play Store cache to refresh permissions. Also update the OS and Store app, then sign out and back in so tokens refresh. Once done, test a cheap in-app item in a different app to isolate the issue. Finish by restarting the device, reinstalling the app, and using any Restore Purchases option. This forces the app to revalidate entitlement. If that fails, gather the receipt, device model, exact time, and screenshots, then contact App Store or Play support so they can trace the transaction. If things still go wrong, try a different payment method or temporarily remove family account restrictions. Often the issue is a blocked card or family organizer setting, and swapping the payment method quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.